What's up, guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. Yes, we're on the back porch, but we got something pretty cool for you today. We are getting ready to do us an overnighter tonight, so look forward to those videos. We are going to build what I want to call, I'm sure there's somebody out there who's going to have a problem with it, the Guaranteed Fire kit. With what we're going to put in this kit, you're going to have a fire under any conditions. No, not underwater. Any conditions. We've got wet weather tinder. We got drought. We've got everything that you can start a fire. Even this guy over here who's a beginner, who's never used a ferro rod. You can start a fire with this kit, guy. Stick around. We're going to check this out. All right, let's get started. First thing you need for your kit, very first thing, storage, something to store it in. Okay, you can go, there's all kind of options out there, all kind of options. You can use a Tupperware bowl, plain and simple. Put a lid on it, boom, you're done. You can use Ziploc bags. You pretty much want it to be waterproof. Mine isn't 100% waterproof, but it'll do. I mean, it'll do for what I need it to do. Most of the stuff that I have in my kit is in its own individual Ziploc bag anyway. So we're just going to use an old MOLLE pouch. That's what we're going to use. We're going to use this MOLLE pouch, and that's what we're going to put everything into. So let's get this thing started and let's build a kit. All right, first thing we're going to put in our kit, let's see, we're going to put this. Okay, I've got a couple of pieces of little fat wood. I got a piece of paracord in here that is fire tinder cord. There's a strand inside this cord. I'll see if I can get it out. There's a strand inside the cord that is flammable for making fire. And I don't know if you can see it. That's it right there. That little piece of red cord right there. You can pull that out, fluff it up, and it's basically like wax jute. So we're going to throw that in there as well with our fat wood. And that right there ain't nothing but just a paper towel. I mean, paper towels are flammable. So that'll help get you a fire, clean your hands, whatever. But it's always good to have something like that in your kit as well. So go ahead and put that in our kit. Okay. Probably the easiest, the cheapest, and the most reliable fire tinder that there is. Cotton balls and Vaseline. Guaranteed Fire, guys. These will take a spark and catch, and they will burn for a good amount of time if you're dealing with some wet tinder or something like that. Great to put in your kit. Let's go ahead and put that in our kit. All right, the next one is just as good as the wax, as the cotton balls, and this is something that I made myself. These are cotton makeup pads soaked in wax, citronella wax to be exact. And you just tear it off a little bit, expose the fibers, fluff it up a little bit, and it'll take a spark just like the cotton balls. Another good one, waxed jute. This came in one of the Ozark Trail survival kits that I got, but that is a great fire tinder, waxed jute. Fluff it up and it takes a spark. Hit it with a lighter, match, whatever you got, and it'll work perfect. We're putting that in the kit. All right, another quick and easy fire starter. These I bought these at the store today. I mean, I got a pack of 12 of them for I think $5, and these suckers will start a fire. You just set it in there, light the plastic, and they burn. They burn good too. We're putting those in there. All right, that is basically all of our tenders. How are we going to start it? We're going to take a blowtorch with us. I'm just kidding. We have several ways to start this fire. First off, we got the 4-in-1 fire starter. I did a review. I'll put a link in the description for this. Got this off of Amazon. I think it's just a couple bucks. You got your striker, you got your ferro rod, you got your compass, and it's a whistle. So very good to have. This is a little better quality than some of the other ones that you're going to find out there, but it ain't the best. That's why we have backups to our backups. Just recently did a video on this one, and this is to me this is a 3-in-1 tool as well. There it is. The Smith's Pack Pal, I believe is what this is called. Fire starter and a striker. I don't care for this one. I don't like this one. That's why I got the other one in the box. And a cheese grater. It's not a cheese grater, but it is a cheese grater. That's a grater, and it stores it right in the box. Your little pieces of fat wood or any other kind of wood you got, you just, you know, grate it down. You got you some good dust, some good kindling or whatever, and that'll help get your fire going. But wait, there's more. There's always more. Like I said, we're building a guaranteed fire starter, guys. Guaranteed for fire. Harbor Freight, $3. Magnesium bar, ferro rod, striker, and an old saw blade. That'll do it right there, guys. That'll give you fire too. You take that right there with your Pack Pal, shave off some fat wood, boom, you got that bad boy started up. But wait, there's more. Now let's get into the guaranteed part of this kit. There's two parts to the guarantee. Waterproof, stormproof matches. And these bad boys will light. You can light one of these up, stick it in water, and it'll light back up. Guaranteed to start a fire. Time out. Alright guys, I want to give a quick shout out to today's video sponsor, Super Clean. Go check them out. I think you'll love their products. I know I do. They work great on everything. It's a great degreaser. Go check them out. Little cotton pad fell out of the lid of my guaranteed matches. There's your striker on the box, another striker on the inside, and there's roughly 25 matches in here. Well, it was 25 matches. I mean, I've used one or two since I bought that. It's going in the pack. It's going in the pack. Last but not least, the guarantee to your guarantee, the backup to your backup. A big lighter wrapped in duct tape. Everyone knows that enjoys these kind of videos and this kind of hobby and lifestyle knows how important duct tape is in your pack. Whether it's repairing something, duct tape makes a great fire starter. Great fire starter. Always wrap your lighters in duct tape. Always. And it's a Bic. You got guaranteed fire right here, guys. It's going in the pack. Somewhere. Boom. Guaranteed fire starting kit. Guys, don't go to the store and buy these fire kits. Run out into the woods, to wherever, and think you're going to have a fire. Use your equipment. Practice with your equipment. I mean, you can look and see in some of my other videos, just because you have the gear doesn't mean you have what you need. I've got a ferro rod, so I've got a fire. That is not true. That is not true. That is so far from the truth. Use your gear. Practice with your gear. Sit at home. You're getting ready to cook on the grill. Anybody can throw lighter fluid and a match on there and have a fire going. That's the perfect time to practice your skills. Get out there with your ferro rod, your tinder bundle and everything, and get that fire going like that. Practice with your gear. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a favor real quick. Hit that like, that subscribe, that notification button so you're aware next time I bring you one of these very important educational videos. And get outside, guys. Go practice with your stuff. Practice with your gear. Not only your fire gear, not only your fire starting equipment. Practice with your cook sets. Practice with your knife. Practice. You need to know everything about your gear. Practice that shelter building. Do all that good stuff. But again, this was a video basic making the perfect fire. To me, it's the perfect fire kit. Guaranteed fire kit. That's what I'm calling it. If you don't like it, too bad. That's what I call it. All right, guys. I got things to do because we're going camping tonight. I got to go. So be safe. God bless. Get outside, people.